In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an unparseable formula error in Smartsheet. If you've opened a sheet and noticed that one of your cells is showing an unparseable formula error, don't worry. This usually means Smartsheet is unable to read the formula because something in the syntax is incorrect. The good news is that in most cases, the issue is small and easy to correct once you know what to look for. Start by opening the Smartsheet sheet where the error appears. Once you're in the correct sheet, locate the cell displaying the unparseable formula error and click directly on it. This is important because you want to inspect the exact formula that Smartsheet is having trouble interpreting. With the cell selected, review the formula carefully. Take your time here. Formula errors are often caused by a small typo or a missing character, so it helps to read through the formula slowly rather than rushing past it. Look closely at the full structure and make sure each part is written the way Smartsheet expects. As you review it, check for common syntax problems. For example, look for missing commas between arguments, unmatched brackets, or quotation marks that were opened but not properly closed. Also, pay attention to the column names used in the formula. If a column name is incorrect, incomplete, or typed differently from the actual sheet column, Smartsheet may not be able to parse the formula. Make sure every referenced column is spelled exactly right, including spaces and punctuation. Even a small difference between the formula and the real column name can trigger this kind of error. If needed, compare the text in the formula to the column headers in the sheet so you can confirm they match exactly. Once you identify the issue, correct the formula syntax directly in the cell. This may mean adding a missing comma, closing a bracket, fixing quotation marks, or updating a column reference so it matches the sheet properly. The goal is to make the formula complete, accurate, and readable by Smartsheet. After making the correction, press enter to apply the updated formula. Then confirm that the error message is gone. If the formula now evaluates normally, you've successfully fixed the problem. That's the process for resolving an unparsable formula error in Smartsheet. By checking the formula carefully and correcting small syntax issues, you can usually get everything working again quickly and accurately.